Welcome to the installation of Yakima's Landing Pad 11 for vehicles with fixed mounting points. Landing Pad 11 fits a wide variety of vehicles and comes with different mounting hardware to accommodate most threaded holes. Refer to the fit chart to determine which bolts and washers you will use on your vehicle. Start by attaching the rubber gasket to the bottom of the landing pad and placing your bolts and washers into the middle hole on the landing pad. Now line up the bolt with the mounting point on your roof and screw the landing pad into place. Make sure the landing pad is running fairly parallel with the roof line as well, and be sure not to over tighten the bolt. Doing so will prevent the SkyLine Towers from mounting later on. The landing pads come with covers for when your SkyLine Towers are removed. This helps prevent wind noise and dirt buildup. Thanks for watching the installation of Yakima's Landing Pad 11s. If you have further questions, visit us at rackwarehouse.com or call us at 800-272-5362. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.